As a student of architecture, there are few essential tips you can follow to help you succeed in your studies and future career. Let's start with tip number 1. Develop strong drawing skills to efficiently communicate your ideas. Learn to work collaboratively with other architects and professionals in the construction industry. Familiarize yourself with the latest softwares and design technology tools used in the field. Gain practical experiences through internships or work study opportunities. Study sustainable and environmentally conscious design practices. Keep up with the latest developments in construction technology and materials. Build a strong foundation in maths and physics to understand the structural and technical aspects of architecture. Study the history of architecture and design to inform your own work. Cultivate strong communication and presentation skills to efficiently convey your design to clients and stakeholders. Develop a strong work ethic and attention to detail to ensure successful completion of projects.